To change default apps on the Redmi Note 14s, let me quickly show you how we can do this. First of all, you will have to go for the settings, and from here you'll have to scroll down until you find apps. Let's go in there, and from here you'll have to go for manage apps, and from here press three dots on the top right corner and go for other settings. And here you can find default apps. So let's go in there, and there is this list of all applications which has some default application, and we can change it. So like for example, let's change the default application for the browser. So you'll have to tap on this one, select the browser, and here you can change this default application to any app that you have right here simply by selecting it. And as you can see, this Mi browser is now selected as a default application for the browser, and the same thing applies to all of these applications which are here. You can change the application, default application for the music, as you can see. So yeah, there's pretty much a lot of options, and additionally there is the button to reset to defaults, all of these default applications. So that's how you can do this.